Just the two of you? I guess. Okay, just get it, please. Thank you. Oops, sorry.
Okay. A pleasure seeing you over here.
It's a pleasure to be here. क्या बोलूं?
क्या अवसर है ये जहां आज आप शामिल हुए?
देखिए ये एक विफ्ट करके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जिन्होंने जो लोग विमेन एम्पावरमेंट के ऊपर बहुत काम करते हैं, जो लोग विमेन एम्पावरमेंट के ऊपर कुछ फिल्म्स बनाई जा रही हैं जिन्हें वो प्रमोट करते हैं। उनकी कोशिश रहती है कि जितने विमेन फिल्म मेकर्स हैं टेलीविज़न में या एक्टर्स हैं, जो भी प्रोफेशनल्स हैं टेलीविज़न में और जो फिल्म्स के अंदर हैं, उन्हें अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले, उन्हें सपोर्ट करते हैं। और आज खासकर यहाँ पर कुछ जो फिल्म मेकर्स तो नहीं, प्रोफेशनल फिल्म मेकर्स नहीं कहूँगा, लेकिन जो जितने भी एमेच्योर फिल्म मेकर्स हैं उन्होंने कुछ फिल्म्स बनाई हैं, 3 मिनट की 4 मिनट की फिल्म बनाई है। सब्जेक्ट है विमेन एम्पावरमेंट का, और वो फिल्म्स आज हम देखेंगे। कुछ 7-8 फिल्म्स हैं जिन्हें हम देखेंगे, और उसके बाद जो जूरी है वो डिसाइड करेगी कि अच्छी फिल्म कौन सी है। पब्लिक चॉइस अवार्ड भी होगा कोई, और आई थिंक सारी की सारी फिल्म्स हैं, उनका सब्जेक्ट जो है वो सब्जेक्ट है विमेन एम्पावरमेंट या विमेन सेफ्टी के ऊपर।
You will be part of the jury और आप प्रेजेंट करेंगे अवार्ड वगैरह?
मैं जूरी का हिस्सा हूँ, लेकिन मैं अपनी जजमेंट देने से ज़्यादा आई थिंक मैं सिर्फ फिल्म्स देखने के लिए आया हूँ, बट हाँ मैं जूरी का एक हिस्सा हूँ।
कुछ खास विशेष बात कहना चाहेंगे ये महिलाओं के ऊपर या मतलब फीमेल चाइल्ड के ऊपर फिल्में बनना के बारे में?
हाँ, मुझे लगता है टाइम धीरे धीरे बदलता जा रहा है। जो बातें हम लोग आज 10 साल पहले करते थे विमेन एम्पावरमेंट के बारे में, हम लोग विमेन की सेफ्टी के बारे में जब बात करते थे, माहौल बदलता जा रहा है। लेकिन ऐसा लगता है कि बड़े शहरों में बदलता जा रहा है, एक तरफ बदलता जा रहा है, एक तरफ ऐसा लगता है कि हम पिछड़ते भी जा रहे हैं साथ साथ में। तो आई थिंक समय आ गया कि हम लोग बातें कम करें और एक्शन ज़्यादा हो, कार्रवाई ज़्यादा हो, हम लोगों की एक्शंस में ज़रा साबित हो कि हम जो सोचते हैं वो करते हैं। आई थिंक बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम सपोर्ट करें, खासकर हम जितने भी आदमी लोग हैं, मर्द हैं। आई थिंक बहुत बड़ा जिम्मेदारी है, बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी हम लोगों के ऊपर है, बहुत बड़ा दायित्व हम लोगों के ऊपर है कि हम जो विमेन हैं हमारी कंट्री की, लड़कियां जो हैं, उन्हें सेफ महसूस कराएं, उन्हें अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ दें और हम बिल्कुल बराबरी का हिस्सा मिले उन्हें।
राजीव, कितना असर डालती है फीमेल डायरेक्टर और द लेडी फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री? There's Zoya, there's Farah Khan, there's Kalpana Lazmi, there's so many.
I would say Zoya is of course a very very sensible डायरेक्टर हैं, और मैं चाहता हूँ कि और भी बहुत सारी फीमेल डायरेक्टर्स आएँ जिनकी लोग इज़्ज़त करें, जिनके काम की बहुत इज़्ज़त करें। एंड आई थिंक सिर्फ अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलने की देर है, उनके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी होगी तो आई एम श्योर दे विल ऑल प्रूव देमसेल्व्स।
Okay, Rajiv, how do you feel? You came a long way. You're here as a jury member, US consulate, and the people all the way from US who are displaying their work in front of you, and you're the one who's there with the pen, pointing out everything.
I think there's still a lot more to travel. I think it's too early for me to be part of a jury, but I take it with all my humility. When they offered me to be part of jury, I thought let's experience this as well. If my experience could be of any help to someone, why not? So I feel humbled.
राजीव, बिफोर यू लीव, आपने अपना मार्क ना सिर्फ टीवी इंडस्ट्री में बल्कि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में बहुत अच्छी तरह से बनाया। इन दिनों जिस तरह से हम टीवी देखते हैं, जिस तरह के विषय चुने जा रहे हैं, आप उनसे संतुष्ट हैं? मतलब जैसे या सुपरनैचुरल चीज़ें आ रही हैं, और ये कहीं आप इससे मतलब कहीं
मुझे लगता है हमारी टेलीविज़न इंडस्ट्री इतनी बढ़ गई है कि इसमें हर किस्म के सब्जेक्ट के लिए जगह है, और आजकल तो ऑडियंस बहुत ज़्यादा स्मार्ट हो गई। जो शोज़ पसंद नहीं करते हैं वो नहीं चलते हैं, उन्हें वो देखना बंद कर देते हैं। तो जब तक डिमांड रहेगी तब तक बहुत ही पिछड़े हुए सब्जेक्ट्स के ऊपर भी काम होगा, और अगर डिमांड खत्म होगी तो प्रोग्रेसिव सब्जेक्ट्स भी होंगे। आई थिंक बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म है, हर तरह के सब्जेक्ट्स हैं और हर तरह की ऑडियंस है।
कहाँ देखेंगे हम आपको आप इसके बाद?
इसके बाद आप बड़े पर्दे पर देखेंगे, छोटे पर्दे पर।
थैंक यू राजीव, शुक्रिया।
short film. It's a mixed media animated film. Was made as a reaction to the voices that play in our heads. As an Indian woman, I realized that there is a certain there are filters, that we always live with, and there's this inner subconscious mind that's always playing, no matter how modern you get, no matter even if you are allowed or give yourself the allowance to travel alone at 3 a.m. and it's perfectly safe, but there's still this constant chatter that goes on your head, and it's the subconscious of the Indian woman, I believe, and this film is trying to show you that.
Good evening everyone, my name is Nukul Jain and I'm the founder of RISE. So basically, more than a short film, this was the beginning of a movement started by 8 college students from Poddar who wanted to change the way people look at women in Mumbai and the way they treat them. So we've used friends, acquaintances, strangers at times, whatever limited resources we had, and we made this film. And as Mrs. Bakshi rightly said, the Nirbhaya rape case really shook the nation. It did shake us, and that is exactly when we made this short film on the first death anniversary of Nirbhaya on the 16th of December 2013. That went on to be a movement. We mobilized 5,000 youths from across the city to not go out there and have a candlelight march, or to actually have a protest sort of thing. We actually wanted to talk to people and tell them and know from them what they think about women and why they actually treat them. We actually had discussions in local trains asking men why they slap their wives after drinking. And do you think a wife cannot slap you back at that very moment, but she chooses not to? So we had these discussions, and we are here 2 years down the line. We made it a not-for-profit organization, and we're actually working for the cause, and it feels great. I'd like to end it by saying gender-based violence has given us nothing, and we've paid the price. I think it's time to fight, it's time to rise.
Hi guys, my name is Sapan Verma. I'm a stand-up comedian. I run this small comedy collective called East India Comedy. So we're essentially stand-up comedians and YouTubers. We make a lot of funny videos, silly videos, that's what we do for a living. But we realized that we have a platform and people actually listen to what we do, what we make. So for once we thought about talking about something serious, something important. And that's how we made this video. Saurabh Pant, who's also in the video, came up with this idea. And we approached some of our favorite TV and theatre actors to be a part of it. And not one of them had any issues being a part of it. They all agreed instantaneously. And we made this video and we released it online last year. And I think it's already crossed over 1 million views online, which is a great deal for us. And we're now at the same time working on a Hindi version of the video so that the message can reach out to more and more people. I think today what you're going to watch is a slightly censored, beeped out version. The Pahlaj Nihalani version is what you'll watch today. If you want to check out the uncensored version, do check it out online. And beforehand, I just want to thank, I think you mentioned that there are 40 filmmakers who actually made films about women empowerment. So I think that's a great deal that this, contest and festival is great and it's all great for the namesake, but I'm just very pleased that there are 40 filmmakers who actually went out there and tried to make a film about women empowerment, which is outstanding. So thank you so much for doing that, and this is just a small part of it. Thank you.
Which one, sir? Which
with Emma Watson's UN He for She campaign and other such efforts, we've seen a real call.
I personally feel that men should start asking questions to themselves. That why do they think, or why do they believe that they are superior, or they are better than women? I think the enlightenment would lie in the question. I think we generally get used to the society, we just get used to the system. As a man, I would say one just gets conditioned because we just look around. We don't really apply our mind, our thoughts into it. We just feel that a boy is a little more probably superior than a girl, or a little more privileged than a girl. I think he never puts his mind, his thoughts into it. So the moment I question myself, why am I better off than my wife, say, for instance, I never get any answers, and that's when, and that's how I think I maintain a lot of equality and a lot of sanity in my house, because I think she's contributing as much, if not more, than what I'm doing. So I think it should be directed inwardly, and I think men should start thinking, not just come and participate probably in debates like this. I think we should also, action should speak louder than words, I think.
probably good advice for all genders to look inward, to be introspective, and to be empathetic, and look around you and see where you might be a little bit better off, and question the reasons for that, and see what you can do to make it a little bit more equal and make it right. Thank you, Rajiv. And we've got a question also for Vibha. You and I have talked a lot about the challenges of achieving gender equality, and to some degree a level of pessimism among some members of the public. But like Martha, you've made a documentary film that really highlights the enormous potential for positive changes. So what makes you most hopeful about the future for equal rights for women, third gender persons, and men?
I think as a filmmaker chooses a perspective. And I took the perspective of hope because I think hope is very powerful. I did not want to leave the country with disgust or disillusionment, or us asking questions, why am I born in this country? Why am I a woman? Are all the men in India sick? I personally do not think so. I think there are a lot of great good men and very strong women, and we've taken the perspective, the same thing as Girl Rising. Let's empower those who are making change happen.
The fact is, it's a great collaboration, and it's nice because you want to challenge each other when you're working in a scene. And honestly, as an actor, I'm still very young, and I've grown up seeing his films, seeing his work. I'm a huge admirer of him. To work with him was fantastic.